to DM Astrology. Today we are going to see in 2021 yearly prediction series about Libra. What is going to happen with the Libra sign? Now, let us see who will become under this video. This video will apply to whom? Now, there is whose name start with the Libra sign, that is R and T. They all are come under this. Those moon is placed in the Libra sign. The moon is placed in Libra sign also come under this video. And those having the Libra ascendant. So, these three people can be involved in this video. Those having a moon in the Libra will get this as an emotional result, mentally result. And those having this as an ascendant, they are going to get this result physically or actually, you may say. So let us start how Libra people will going to get the things, get the result in 2021. Now coming to the Libra, this is a very balancer sign. This is not fluctuating, it's a balancer. Its a symbol is also balanced. And its planet is a Venus, who's a planet of enjoyment. So all kind of enjoyment is there. So they enjoy everything. Now Venus always transit one sign in 1 month. So you all people will be touching your Venus in all house every month. So 12 month, 12 house. So every month your ascendant or your Rasi Lord will be touching every houses. So that good is it is. Venus is for the pleasure. See, we have already seen in the Taurus how the Venus people are enjoying the things. The same thing, more enjoyment you will find in the Libra, because Libra is the main Mula Trikon Rashi for the Venus. So that way Venus will give more result in the Libra. So Libra people, how the year is ahead, let us see. Now Libra people, health is no worries. This entire year you will be happy to know that you will be not going to face any problem related to your health. So be careful, be relieved and not going to be under any tension about the health issue. One thing is that Rahu is placed in your 8th house. So it may cause you the fear. But that is merely a fear. You are not going to get the actual problem. So it will only give you a kind of fear that it may happen, that may happen. Ketu in 2nd house always make you confused what to eat, what not to eat. But literally, don't worry, you are not going to face any problem related to your health. So health wise you are totally free, not going to face any problem. Now coming back to the your finance. Related to the finance and relationship, in your 2nd house the Ketu is placed and Rahu plays in the 8th house. Jupiter and Saturn is in your 4th house, and for 6 months the Jupiter will be going for the 5th house. So here the Rahu will going to cause you some anxiety in the relationship, in the finance. You have the money, but you will not able to enjoy that money. You will be not able to realize or encash that money. So you have to be very careful. To whom you have to take the money, you have to always follow them, because they will become dry. Even though you have money, you will always under the scare, under the pressure that I need money, I need money. But your 2nd house Ketu is only making this thing dry. But don't forget that you are not going to face any actual problem related to the wealth. It's merely a fear. So you don't have to worry about your wealth part. You are happy with the financial situation. Related to the relationship also, you may encash your relationship. To whom you already helped, they will come and help you. In relationship, you will find good relationship and cardinal relation. Yes, some kind of a nuisance, some kind of a unwanted people you may find. But overall, you will be getting the good result related to the relationship. So your family member or social member, they will be satisfied with you and not going to have any negative aspect of your relationship. Coming back to the property. In 4th house, the property where Jupiter and Saturn is there, this is the right time to buy a property. Go and buy property. It's the right time to renovate the house. It's the right time to change your place. From small place to bigger place you can go. So for property, any hedging, any change, any new house, any investment you are seeking, best time you can do it and get a good result. So related to the property, you will be gain, and whatever your old property is there, that also you can sell and go to the new property. Property wise, car, luxury, jewelry, you are benefited. So you don't have to worry about it, and you will be getting good result related to your wealth. Going to the education part, also it is a good time to concentrate on your education part. Whatever the basic education you are pursuing, either SSC, HSC, 12th class, 10th class, degree, any basic education you are pursuing, it's a time to get a good result. If you have not got a good result in the past year, this is a time where you will be getting your desire, and whatever the hard work you have done, that you will be going to get the result. So related to the education, you will be fine. Planning for the higher education, that is also a good time. You can plan for the 2 years, 3 years ahead, because Saturn is here and thereafter it will go to the 5th house. Jupiter also will go to the 5th house. So those who are planning for the higher education, those who are planning for the education related to the competitive exam, NET, SET or CET or JEE, NEET, they all will be benefited and getting good result. So better you can plan for it and you will get a good result out of it. So you may plan for the education, higher education, and you will be getting benefit out of it. So go ahead for this. Related to the children, if you are planning for the child, if you don't have a child and if you are planning for the child, this is the right time. You can plan the child yoga and you will be getting good result from that. So planning you can do entire year also, and when Jupiter exactly come to that house, that is also time whereby you can able to get the child yoga. So child yoga, you can plan that and accordingly you will get the result. So related to the child, this is the right time you can go for the child yoga and get the result. So related to the children, it's a good time. If you already have a child and you wish that they will get good along with their life, then this is also a time whereby you can take a decision for them. So go for the taking a decision, ask them what they want to do and you can do related to them. Related to their higher education, related to their marriage, their career, better you can plan this year and get a good result. So related to your children, you can take a call. Related to your own getting the child, also it is a time where you will be able to get the good result, right? So that is a good time you can plan for the children and get a good result out of it. Related to the disease, as I already told you that your health is fit, but you have to take care about your digestion. You have to be more careful about your digestion, and you may face some stomach, intestine or digestion organ disorder. So there you have to take care and you have to take extra precaution. Don't eat outside food and don't eat any challenging food, may cause you any health related problem. So that you have to need to take care. Related to the job, this is an average good time that you will be appreciated with your job. So don't leave your job, present job, or if you are going for the higher position, this is a time where your reward will be there. So related to job, yes, this is a good time. You can do the change. You can go for the higher job. You can get a good result in your present job also. It is not that you will not get a present job benefit, but you can get a present job benefit also, and simultaneously is a time whereby you can change the job also. Both will be permissible and getting good result. Related to your marriage, see, related to the marriage, this is a year where you will find some difficulty to find a spouse. So you have to face lot of difficulties. You will to face so many obstacles to find the right person, right opportunity. So continue your process and may you get a good result between that window between the 6th April to 22nd September, when Jupiter will be coming to your 5th house in Aquarius. You will be blessed and you will be getting. See your own chart also and accordingly decide, but this is the right time that you can plan. You have to work hard because it's not easy to get the result. So you have to work hard to get the good opportunity. Those who are already married, they also have to face some challenges from their spouse. but try to make this settlement amicable and try to resolve the dispute which create in between you. So it is also good time for marriage, matrimonial relationship. Related to business, I left. So those who are try to do the new business, new this profession, this is also a time where you can start new business and profession, and it will be helpful for you. So you may better go for the new business, plan for the this, and you will be getting benefit out of it, and there is no problem related to the growth in your current business, as well as if you are planning for another business, this is a time where you can do it and get a good result out of it. So business wise, profession wise is the time where you can do it. So business profession wise, there is no issue, you can go ahead with this and getting a good result with your business and profession. Now moving ahead to foreign traveling. If you are wish to travel foreign, this is a time whereby you can travel, but may face lot of challenges. So if you are planning for the foreign traveling, take a good precaution, and then only you should go and get the result. So in the relation to the traveling, foreign traveling, you have to be very careful, and those who wish to apply for the higher class like PR or the citizenship, you will be also benefited with some efforts. So you have to put a lot of efforts, you have to face some problem, and then only you will get a result. But it's a challenging, it's not so easy for you to get some benefit from the foreign country or foreign traveling. Related to the expenses, if you are having the expenses, be careful, because Rahu and Jupiter both are aspecting your expenses house. So you may face a big expenditure during this period and may have to incur some losses also. So be careful about the spending, wherever and whatever you are spending, be careful, and sudden expenditure will be there, and that sudden expenditure will be maybe connected to your family, disease, something related to the marriage, or some unexpected and unplanned expenditure you may get. So you have to be very careful related to that. And related to investment, yes, this is a good time to invest. Heavy investment should be there. Either you take a loan and purchase a home, so that it will be also a good investment. Investment wise, yes, this is a good time to get an investment and getting good result out of it. Plan for 3 years, 5 years, long term, it will be benefit for you. So you can go for this. Related to the litigation, yes, you may find some difficulties in litigation. Try to avoid and try not to file new litigation, but otherwise, if litigation is already going on, try to settle between the window of November to 6th April to 22nd September. Try to settle that, so that it won't cause you much problem. But in litigation, you have to be very careful, and if you are planning for the new litigation, either to hold or either to go with a very precautionary measure, so that not causing you much problem. Related to the spirituality, if you are into the spiritual and religious thing, it's not a so good time for traveling for the pilgrims and worship place. So instead, go and go inside and see the because Rahu in the 8th house will give you good inclination towards the occult science, astrology, and all allied science. You can learn new way of a technique. You can go deep into the spirituality, meditation, dhyan. That will be benefit, rather than going for the religious aspect, dharmic related works, or anything visiting to the pilgrims and everything is not so favorable for you. Lastly, related to the name, fame and recognition, you will be getting good name, fame and recognition, and it will be benefit for you and going to get a good result. So if you are planning for any good position, do apply for the position like CEO, COF, and you may be getting good blessing of a Jupiter and Saturn aspecting your 10th house. So you may plan for it and get the good result out of it. So this way the entire year will be there. Now I have to share the remedy. What remedy should be done for entire year to get the benefit is to donate. Do any charity, any donation, that will bring you good result. Your Saturn is in 4th house, so you will be also blessed with the pleasure and that you can give it to other also. So do charity and lot of donation, anything, cloth, food, the medicine, anything, continue do the donation. Whenever get the opportunity, try to donate and get a good blessing. So that is more required, that to do the charity and donation for entire year and getting the good result out of it. So this is a short result related to the Libra and how you will be going to benefit out of it, that I have shown you. Do see your own chart and apply it and plan accordingly, so that you will be getting the idea that what are the planning, what are the area I have to focus. So this is my small finding out about the Libra sign for 2021. I hope that you like. I hope that you will share, apply and subscribe my channel DM Astrology and get lot of videos which I have done for you only. So herewith I thanks everyone to listen me carefully. You can subscribe my channel DM Astrology, and for consultation you can always contact me in this number and get the consultation. So herewith I bless you. Stay blessed. God bless you. Thank you. Namaste.